What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? Let's get into the news. The first story of the day is about Sprint and a 5G Samsung smartphone that will be launching in the first half of 2019. Now, this is from SamsungCentral.com. It says, according to PC Mag on December 4th, Sprint's Vice President of Product Engineering and Development, Ryan Sullivan, attended this year's Qualcomm Snapdragon Summit and confirmed the news of its pairing with Samsung for the 5G smartphone. Now, Sprint will be launching 5G in the first half of 2019 in 9 cities, including Atlanta, Chicago, Dallas, Houston, Kansas City, Los Angeles, New York, Washington, D.C., and Phoenix. Right now, that leaves us with Verizon, AT&T, and now Sprint launching a Samsung, which is probably the Galaxy S10 5G variant of this phone. It looks like T-Mobile probably will too, I would assume anyway. We'll have to wait until we see that, but regardless, 5G Galaxy S10 definitely looks like going to be full-fledged support in America. Next up, the guys over at XDA Developers website have gotten their hands on a closed beta version of the Samsung One UI Android Pie beta, and it's running on the Galaxy Note 8. They couldn't get it installed on the S8 or S8 Plus, but they did get it installed on the Note 8. So it looks like the Note 8 development of the Android Pie beta definitely is rolling around. I don't know if this is going to end up coming and being released in January of 2019 like it will be for the S9, S9 Plus, and Note 9, or if it's going to be a few months later than that. But regardless, that's really good news for people that have the S8, S8 Plus, and Note 8 phones. It looks like you'll be getting the Android Pie beta very, very soon. Also, they're saying that the way the software looks identical to the S9, S9 Plus, and Note 9 versions. Also, an update to a story we talked about, I don't know, a month ago or so, when people got the Android Pie beta installed on their Galaxy phones. They were unable to keep a free theme for longer than 14 days. It looks like Samsung's doing an about face, and that has now been removed. I don't know if that's gonna stick, because before you had to remove it and then put a different free theme or buy the theme at that point, but it looks like that's being changed, which is good news for the end user for sure. And the last story of the day comes from a official Samsung distributor of parts for Samsung, and he's saying that the Galaxy S10 Lite, S10, and S10 Plus, and most likely the 5G variant, will come with pre-installed tempered glass protectors. This is something very similar to what Chinese companies already do with their phones, and Samsung's look like they're following suit, doing the same thing. This is great. This is gonna be fantastic. Most screen protectors on Galaxy phones or any phone that's curved slightly don't really work that well, and hopefully this one's gonna work fantastic because it'll be a first-party screen protector pre-installed for you on your Galaxy S10 device. Everybody should already do this anyway. It's like you have these very expensive, that cost expensive to replace screens, like $200, $300, $400 to replace. Why not already have a screen protector on there so that, you know, the end user at that point is happy if they drop it and it breaks? It's the screen protector that breaks, not the actual glass. So if this works out to be coming true, congrats, an amazing job on that, Samsung. I think a lot of people are gonna be happy with this. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, new videos every single day. My question out to you guys is, how do you feel about a screen protector already pre-installed on your Galaxy device? Make you happy, annoyed? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you down the road. Peace!